How you doing, guys? This is Joss from Kingdom DTF. Welcome one more time to the channel, and if this is your first time stopping by, go ahead, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button and also notification, because here we got knowledge about DTF printing, direct to film printing. So guys, this is a quick video that I want to talk about the featured channels that I got right here. So basically what we're doing is looking for partners or anyone that you know that have a YouTube channel and they're talking about different printing methods to partner with us and vice versa. So this way, what we want to do is create a community, a bigger community for the DTF, DTG, sublimation, and all that kind of stuff. So by feature the channels is something that is really important, and I think it gives opportunity to other people to discover different channels that they're looking for. So for example, our channel is based on DTF, and we have a lot of video about the LAT100, how to manage the LAT100 troubleshooting. We got a couple of videos for the P400, and now we're doing videos for the dual head printers, like for example the video that you see here. And it's something that people is looking for information how to enter in the DTF printing. So for example, Elegant Edits, he's doing DTF, but he got a couple of videos of the LE300 and minis, but also he got videos for the 7890, that is a 24 printer that he's using currently, how to do maintenance and convert and all that kind of stuff. Jadix Design got also a lot of videos for the maintenance and stuff that is really important for the printing community, and also videos about the Epson 1400. And Baby Booty or Baby Beauty, she got information about embroidery, rhinestone, maybe I think she got a heat vinyl and a lot of stuff that is about crafting. And if you can see, I partner with people that are really into help other people in the community, and that's why I have decided to feature these channels on my YouTube channel as a partner. So they do the same for me. So for example, if you go to Elegant Edits, our channel is got to be there because we have the same mentality, the same, we are in the same page, that we help each other, us for the channel, but at the same time, we help the DTF community, the printing community, to find information so it can help them to do something. We give value back to the community, and that's something important, that when you're looking into a maybe into a YouTube channel, you find value of the information that they're giving, and for me that's super super important. So if you go to Baby Booty over there, she got a lot of videos about, like she said here, embroidery machines and all that kind of stuff, tutorials. And this lady is super nice and she talks, real stuff. And the same go to Jadix Design. I mean, she have grown her channel really nice, and got a lot of feature here us, and a lot of videos about DTF and maintenance and all of that. So you need to see us as a a community that want to help you to understand better your printer, understand better how to do maintenance and all that kind of stuff. And that's why, again, I have decided myself to feature different YouTube channel, and just in return, if you want to partner with us, just in return, what I'm asking is that you do the same for us. Feature our channel in your YouTube, and that way we grow together. We grow the community that is looking for um, different information about DTF, DTG, sublimation, heat vinyl, maybe different methods that they're going to come out, different printers, how to convert them, how to do the maintenance, and all that kind of stuff. Okay, so if it's something that is interest you, just send a message to us or just comment below this video, because I see always, the comments and try to reply to everyone. If not, you can send me a message on my email, that is info@kingdomdtf.com, and I'm going to reply to you about this feature of the channels. Okay, so again, guys, my name is Josh from Kingdom DTF. I appreciate you so much. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button over there. Okay, turn the bell notification, and until the next one, keep printing.